Shopify versus Squarespace for artists, which is honestly better. First thing you want to do is understand Shopify for artists. Shopify is mainly an e-commerce platform built for selling products online. Artists can use it to sell prints, merchandise, digital downloads, and commissions. It offers powerful sales tools and inventory management. We should also understand Squarespace for artists. Squarespace is a website builder known for its visually stunning template. It's ideal for artists who want to showcase portfolios, blogs, and sell artwork or services in a simple and elegant way. For pricing and plans, Squarespace offers affordable plans that include website and basic e-commerce, good for artists starting out or with smaller shops. Shopify's plans are more expensive, but justified if you need powerful sales tools and scalability. So the final verdict is Squarespace is honestly better for artists who want a visually stunning, easy to manage portfolio with the ability to sell some artwork. Shopify, however, is better if your priority is a serious online store with advanced selling tools and growth potential. If this video helped you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.